Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. Today we are going to make this outside the box card using elements from the Bouquet of Hope February 2021 paper pumpkin kit. Also using the greeting from Always in My Heart and one of the dies from the Floral Heart dies set. So we'll get started. This one is super simple, super quick to do. And so we need the banner die and we need the happy anniversary greeting. And we are going to need a piece of Whisper White to do this on. So I'm doing this in Merry Merlot to match the ribbon and the flowers on the die cut. So let's go ahead and ink that up and stamp it down. There we go. It's really pretty script, but it's really fine, so it comes out really crisp. So I'm just going to layer this up in the cut and emboss. Just like that, maybe a little more like that. There we go. I will sandwich that and run it through, and then we can build the card. So this Always in My Heart set and the dies that go with it are really nice. They've got lots of different things that you could do with it. So it's really quite a versatile set. Not just for, you know, the Valentine's Day thing, but, you know, the anniversary and here's to another year of happily ever after, things like that. So this one, this die actually has a couple of bars across it. The outside cut edge cuts, and then the inside's just got a couple of score lines on it. So what you do is you can actually fold the edges so it makes a banner. So, and it pops up 3D from the card. So we are going to take the Just Jade card base from the paper pumpkin kit along with the bouquet die cut that comes with the kit, and we are going to just dimensionalize this, plunk it right down on the card. I tried different things behind the bouquet to kind of make it look like, you know, maybe some greenery or like a doily, a kind of a wrap behind it. And I didn't like any of it. I just liked it nice, plain, straight on the card base. And when you put the banner on, you can put it wherever you like. I didn't want to cover up that pretty bow, so I kind of put it below the bow. But because this will move, like when you go to flatten the card down, what I did is I put dimensionals further in on the inside so that when it squashes down, it doesn't bump into those. And then you can still flatten it out to put it in the card, and you're not going to kind of ruin your greeting there. So I'm just going to place this down like that. And then when it goes in the card, the edges will just tip in, or it goes in the envelope, sorry. The edges will just tip in. And then what I did is I used the In Color enamel dots in Bumblebee, and I used my pick a tool, and I just placed some on around the outside, just to give it a little bit of oomph. And you can choose the other colors. If you wanted to use the Just Jade, you could. If you wanted to use you can even use the Misty Moonlight ones just to pump it up a little bit. But that is a really quick and easy outside the box card from the paper pumpkin kit using the Always in My Heart set as well. So thanks very much for watching, and stay tuned for our next video. Take care.